It's so pretty. It's gorgeous out here. Everything is wet. I got pretty wet. It's a beautiful morning. I just absolutely love this. There's nobody out here, just us. We do have moose in this area. Sometimes you'll see them cross, or in the trails. There's trails in there. The pups will be tired and feel great for the rest of the day. This is the prairies. Usually I come out here and I bring the dogs, and it's a time when I can kind of reflect on where I am and what I'm doing, how I'm doing, and it's also time that I kind of get to spend in solitude with my Lord, and I really just take this moment and appreciate how far He's brought me and everything that He has provided. No matter the circumstances, He's always been there. Just appreciate His creation. We spend so much time at our jobs, and we don't really get time to just stop. The quiet. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed our little walk.